The angle landmine reverse lunge is one of my favorite lower body exercises with the landmine because it allows you to put yourself in a unique position you really can't train with any other piece of equipment. And what I mean by that is once we get up, and I'll coach us through our setup, but when I'm in the right position with the landmine, I'm driving laterally into that landmine. That's not only going to place a unique stress on our glutes, it's going to take us through a huge range of motion in the glutes, but it also gives us this lateral hip motion that's really hard to train. So if I'm looking to improve lateral change of direction athletically, or I'm just trying to get a unique glute exercise, this is gonna be a great one. So first thing is gonna be how we hold the actual landmine and the weight that's in there. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have some sort of larger training plate because it's key to be able to put your body and your shoulder into the actual weight here too. The other thing is make sure you have a landmine anchor setup that's stable, right? This Sorinex home base is plenty heavy. I've got good rubber grip here on the floor, but you could always put more weight on top of that if you start using much heavier weights here because you don't want that thing moving. But once you guys get set up, there's two ways you can hold it. Some people call this a Zercher landmine. I don't love it in the elbow like that. So instead, up here in the hands, shoulder placed in, and you should be in a position. I'm leaned in enough where if I take the other leg off the ground, I'm not changing stance because I really don't have much weight here. Now from here, once I'm in a good stable setup, I can play with my angle. I'm gonna take a nice slow controlled step back and down. And this is gonna tell you if you've got the right distance because if you're too far under the landmine, it's gonna feel awkward. So you might have to step a little bit further out. Boom, dropping that back knee down. And from the front side, it almost might look like my legs start to cross over a little bit like a curtsy, but I'm gonna get this big, deep range of motion in my hips. And then when I come up, I'm driving up and into the bar. Up and into the bar. And again, if you just wanna know, as you get heavier weights, you're gonna need to put that foot down. But if you're going a little bit lighter, you can know that you've got that weight centered in the foot and you've got your body in a good position if you can take that leg off the ground.